Gadangme you trending Mzbel.
Honestly, tabi meneni yake wawa he gamen. She in nuchumo ye koba no bata nuchumo. Mabibo ka ganyoji boy employee. Because gamen fairly employer kaba na achuni mene wono abadon.
That's a
Alo abake mi yala. Imene be wale. Ame badon ni wo ka oba no ke ganyoji bon la ke shi nuchumo ochumu. Ekwele mo kon yo ye ehia. Oh go and find a job otashi ochuni so they will come. So me I hardly employ Gan people, but I would love to. But the thing is that when they come, they won't work. They will come 2 days. 2 days. That's the maximum.
That's a big.
And my people are here. You can ask them. That's the maximum.
Sometimes I want to get Mzbel, no, I get school fitai. School ya fitai. I get 80 school. Some at least 80 university level. I low for extra courses, professional courses, it's an area when there is height and over in the company. The people are lazy. Okay, when there is high turnover, there are other factors, there are other conditions that leads to the turnover. As a proper business manager, you have to research and get to find out why people tend to leave your work.
Okay, but Abladia bi mene kona mi ko be chokoti mi wo ba ogbe no. Mene we yomoko shrako yomoko ko ni wo ka wa nika wakanya ba agbasani. One react on local ninja no ni wo for back trending on social media. Ni di wonyemi yo Mzbel eba yi. One time one we no feel about it. Yemi no na e ni nkele ba agba yasa. She mo na no ba ginchi mani agency. She call for Choco TV where all the platforms why not follow. Wo agenda ji wo ma mo na Gadangme what try machine. One boy one money one for the fan. The one find a bono no ba no fika wa oji o follow ni o ni o se ni o comment people to on ye leke plan na. Okay ba anyimi me fla bo kemba Choco TV.
Radon.
Il a que me ko label mo. I
told me Daniel David Nakaineti. For me, Ghana, Palladium, Jamestown. The University of Ghana, Master's Business Administration. Professionally, I'm an administrator, an actor, event organizer. I do other stuff. Events management in the media space. It depends on exactly what is coming. If you're fitness, it depends exactly on the bar. So not much.
What about be what le lodo ba body show nya what I want both the many saninu wo yo if it mo won me you trending Mzbel ni ile ake o na ni oye ni bi komensa shi boko ni nko we play wa no o do am between me
Inuchumo ye koba no bata unuchumo mabibo ka ganyoji boy employee. Because gamen fairly employer kaba na achuni mene wono abadon.
None you lodi loko ni something that put Gadangme in the wrong light. Ake oba teach ni oba assume ake since in the business ni run no, but I'm sure ake shop ni get shop no run no perhaps meant more 5 or less than 5 ni tuni abu. Okay, may 5 need tuning abu. There is a high turnover. None of the turnover. There is no window back here because of that. There need Gadangme G ame una me or be na Gadangme na me tie be Gadangme fe ame sumo ni chumo. Blovoke I'm put in the light okay. I never like it. Sometimes I want to get Mzbel no, I get school fitai. School ya fitai. I get 80 school. Some at least 80 university level. I low for extra courses, professional courses. It's an area when there is height and over in the company. The people are lazy. Okay, when there is high turnover, there are other conditions that leads to the turnover. As a proper business manager, you have to research and get to find out why people tend to leave your work. It could be the wage. You shikani epiwame. No me come you ake epi o me 600 cedis. No nyo pay me 600 cedis ya Ghana na ba enye ba wo chone ba enye ba wo ba pay electricity bill, enye ba pay light bill. Dan enye ba yini ke ye group ye hye ye ba kwa ni lo eni tumo ni come ntu e na ke more in an imagine just for the sake ake look back she can look ye lo edumole no na ke na look lo ke lo papa ba e kule na look lo ni ma le 700 800 kule nche bono wa le 600 e ba ya lo ke 600 ya ni ya 800 e ezando wa ake because of that be lazy dabi minute ye ni tumo ngene do lo jin first job ishi no tumo ko ni dan ni tumo ni if kami shi no ni tumo previously ni ba new one then it means the terms of service being provided at the previous one lo ani shi ni ba this new one because this new one is offering me something better ona ni bono tabi embe sho ake ni tumo hotu ni tumo egule after ss alolo go no bo ni tumo otu onye oga ake ni tumo ko mem otu ni ko gwa even president Mahama e CV mi etu go no kokumbe etu na eshi na eti assemblyman na eshi assemblyman na eti MP na move to the next level lo eti through the ranks e ke mata assemblyman because assemblyman you know Lord Mzbel by analogy about President Mahama is lazy because she assemblyman ichumo leti MP no MP offers better opportunity to serve his people so where there is a better opportunity today is a president Onyaga is an MP left MP to be a president because he's lazy we are moving out here that does not necessarily mean okay more lazy he just went for a better opportunity as simple as that Mzbel she failed to put out one the number of people that works with her or number of people she has employed. If there are 5 people, that sample size, is it adequate to inform a pool? Okay, may 5. Millions about 1 point or 2 million or 5 million Gadangme. Will you justify that and say because of that, therefore it informs a pool like Game is lazy? Does it make sense? It doesn't make sense. Ni Mzbel talk about leaving job. Mzbel in the beginning the same what about look about you to that particular 5 people look back cause judgment? Ask yourself, what about Johnny Hughes? What about other Game? Dr. Valerie Sawyer? What about other Game now excel in their various fields? They use for to conclude a general statement like Gamelisi. Maybe use Johnny Hughes, Valerie Sawyer, get all these influential guys. Maybe use to say, hey, Gamame hardworking, Gamame intellectuals, Gamame. She used the bad narrative to classify how they say. Ona libi gumenya. She I get Mzbel bank President Mahama 2016 ke Libya. Now I had a chance close to President Mahama like the likes of Tracy Boachi. Many one we are here. Will it be right to ask him go back to Moeku oh Gamena or President have opportunity? Name I'm a bank I'm in our face so therefore Gamen I'm immoral because of Mzbel. If I'm winner. Meanwhile, the other Gamena, I'm a bank President Mahama, Dr. Valerie Sawyer. She's an intellectual, a doctor, an intellectual, somebody who is, she's also a lawyer, high profile personality, Hoffman. A lot of female Gadangmes. Lord, used to Mzbel and look from a pool and to inform Ake, Game, I'm a lazy because of Mzbel. What about Valerie, Dr. Valerie? What about all the others? Who use one, Game. Intellectuals.
Man out nearby you like because can men your main temple I'm at a subanco in the poor and you try to be that kind of men you represent of the whole of Gadangme.
Exactly. Exactly. Because
Mita might be working. I'm going to walk away women who are saying, and if I can Game. You're lazy, and calling allergy and like me, because we need to talk about this for many people because if it were a labor work, I said or two were lazy or feeling
me. It's me through Ghana, Jimmy. It after SHS into university, it me get paid later fees while still in school. In a masters in Tuni in Gape, Nemi Tuni, Olo, in any or after SS bunka ye ga ke intrashin age me ta usikapoda me learn chen fi hustle ni ni too money to from pongpo to office work ni all throughout this nke game ekpe game not a single instance make nke ganyo ekpe alo ganyo tuni alo gadangbe ni tuni ni make more lazy. It has never happened before. Game ni kame ekpe very hard working ni we keke ke moko ni ko mi in event waiter in Feda, event coordinator in Feda. And there are people in the event industry who know me very well, and they can attest to my hard work. Whoa, Itachi, we work very hard. I cannot use my mind as a sample say I can hard working, but many they are very hard working. So don't let anybody lie to you.
So can you say lazy or people being lazy when it comes to work? It's not like nobody associated to a tribe as a gang, but it's an individual character or something like that.
It's an individual character. And Miss Bell example, the when there is high turnover, that doesn't mean the people are lazy. It's the conditions of service. What are their remunerations? Are you paying their SNIS contributions? What exactly are you doing it for them? In this case, she even I'm 12 hours. There's no single holiday. Holiday I'm Sunday actually. And now you are all throughout the month. At the end of the month, to manage 600 Ghana, any lorry, any utility, if I pay electricity bill, of course, more washing. Contract, you sign a contract with them. What's in the contract? Allow you employ them formally. You employ them informally. How do you go about your recruitment process? Because it's against the law. Yes. You have to. You need a competitive recruitment process. Recruit people based on how competitive and what they seek to bring to your company or your establishment. And not because it doesn't work that way. And be sure I get because more Ganyo town no, it is not done that way. Coffee be anyhow. If you do anyhow, you see it now, and that's why she's seeing anyhow with the high turnover. So come here, yeah, that's exactly what is happening.
No, your point. Okay, why should I happen like Miss Bell in Bayulaka, a babak in Bayulaka because of my hit like enemy? Okay, I'm investing my money, time, energy, ideas, and links into talented Gadangme artists. I recently signed to my son's record label. Instead of supporting me, some of you are coming after me for sharing my personal experience with working with Gadangme employees.
In the beginning of interviewing you are ignorance, illiteracy few because it's an the fact doesn't immune you from criticism or doesn't immune you against Game. It's an affair because mbukuni ni ke tafla cheke umoyele ibongo ale shika tafla cheke eyekuni buho ni nokmale lo twa keke otetu emene esa ni moko ba bi moko ba question bo age mlo to amotu no law is law court amotu awamobo age police bani ba age bo ale ni bo lo le obi ni lo wa nyo tetu wa nyo gbele come weko it doesn't have that way dan ga Miss Bell school fee. Get to school few can't in a few at least if I believe your mommy and then Kelubi Kumeba she will have a broader approach. She because school because of that school
is different from there's that kind of debate again.
There is a difference between school sense and common sense. In school, many mass school I mean common sense, and they added the common sense to the school. A school, Luan get if textbook social studies and sociology, there is a need to respect traditional authority. Jenny, it's a law. Okay, you are obliged constitutionally to respect traditional authority. No, if common sense is what should tell you should respect traditional authority. Kote mekumano, it's a no obumame. I'm a lost New York man. Lord, the common sense, man, in my bulu. I mean, common sense. Lord, with Jana money, I can't your school. They imbibe that common sense. You will lower me. Lord, you have to combine the two. Lord, the other side don't like it. In a beku, in a beku. Lord, I can be a wa. I'm gonna apologize again. There is no need. Don't you learn no school. Lord, care of autumn. Now, I care about autumn. They still let you insist that because of your personal experience, then there is a problem.
But Abladiabi, Neradon, I think, Okbawa be Bekunku or Bachano. She, Neradon, can you call Kobata Nagbe? Why do Mochomo? I know what I do Mochomo here. The comment section. Neradon, Chocoti. I know you can follow all social media and all the platforms. So now again, where now allo John, how only allo Chiobenko. Oh yeah, Nagbe, you money or Gadangme.
Gadangme be bloody. Niaji. Me no on my jacket. Search forward. Don't be discouraged by opinions that demotivate you. You are who you are, and when people speak against you, they see you as a threat. If you are not a threat, they watch you pass by. So the more hindrances no face there's something better for you. All this Gadangme will pull you up, and now we are seeing the more as the evolution goes on, the revolution goes on. We could tell Gadangme more and more things that were initially hidden in. When influential and rich Gadangme, they are coming out. Initially, they were more low-key. So regardless, just ignore all these distractions, focus and search forward. Midanish, Chano Manyaba.
Benny Radon, Bekunku or Akbe, Ugbe Jini, Ola, wow.